All right, guys, microwave round dose. What we got?
We got, dun, 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 dun. We have an egg that has been sitting in vinegar for a couple of days. And then we have the light bulb. That's gonna be our first item. Let's see how that does. And then the grand poobah is the aluminum foil. So
Press start.
Ooh, he's feisty. He's so feisty.
let's go ahead and get the light bulbs on.
Did the microwave turn on?
Yep.
Okay, good.
It works.
All right, we're gonna do this for about a minute. Hopefully it doesn't blow up the
Bless
phone.
you.
Light bulb is changing colors. It's changing into colors. It blew up.
All right.
We might not have a microwave anymore? Oh no, we do. Oh, there's just glass.
Okay, so that was pretty awesome.
It blew up.
Blew up, started to catch fire, so I turned it off because we still want to do some more stuff.
Peanut crew.
Okay, what we got next?
An egg. Next we have an egg soaked in vinegar.
Oh, there's a button.
All right, 1 minute, right? All right, go ahead, hit 1 minute.
The egg is gonna explode. White, black, daddy. Next time the egg is gonna go explode again.
No, we got. You okay? You okay?
Blew the door clean open. So the vinegar-soaked egg did it. It broke. It broke the. I don't even know where the little piece is now. It broke the door piece off. So, and it's just all jacked up.
As y'all just saw, the door literally flew open. Like it.
So the door won't latch now. It just won't latch. We're at the end of our microwave series.
Anybody have an old one they want to send us?
Yeah, we're open for that.
Yep.
Send us a microwave that you don't want, and we'll blow it up.
With aluminum foil.
Yeah, well, we had plans for aluminum foil. It was going to be
It's
the
like sparking up, actually.
yeah, it was going to be the last video, but we can't even do that now, so we got to clean up. So I'm recording you, recording the microwave.
Oh yeah, great.
So yeah, guys, so I broke down everything, and we'll protective barrier and stuff. Kind of sucks. I was planning on doing a lot more videos till it broke. If I can figure out how to maybe jump out that safety latch thing, I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, microwave was awesome. It really was awesome, but it's kind of depressing at the same time because I was going to do so many more videos. So anyway, we're not going to have any more microwave videos until we get another microwave. So if you know anybody that has a microwave that we can try to blow up, please comment and let us know. So yeah, the vinegar-soaked egg takes the win on destroying the microwave. And I was actually peeking through the little door, the little cardboard door there. So I watched the door explode open, and I had little bits of, I still have some egg in my hair. So yeah, that kind of took me by surprise. I didn't think it was gonna blow up. I thought it was gonna, you know, pop a little bit or ooze out. But it cooked the egg, and it had a much bigger bang than when the shell was on it. So Chris, props to you, who commented the idea for the vinegar-soaked egg. So that was awesome. So yeah, my day consists of a ton of editing for the last 2 days of just footage and different videos that we're gonna be posting. So thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your likes. Thanks for your subscribes. And we will definitely, Brad says, slap that like button. We will definitely see you in the next video. See y'all.
What, Aaron? It's gonna rain! Back to you!
Hey guys, what y'all doing?
Hey, well, we're just checking out Louisiana.